As in any organization, the help desk has its hierarchy based on various levels. Levels 1, 2, and 3 are typically at the same level when it comes to employment, although not when it comes to technical ability. A level 3 staff usually cannot hire or fire lower level IT staff. Above the help desk level would be the help desk manager. The help desk manager would manage those staff in the help desk in a larger organization. In smaller ones, they might also manage levels 2 and 3. The help desk manager will make sure the staff are working, tickets are being opened and closed on a regular basis, and enough staff are there to cover call requests. If the company grows, the help desk manager will ensure enough staff are added as needed. Above the help desk manager is the IT manager. They would manage all managers beneath them. In a smaller organization, that would be the highest position in the company. But in a larger one, you would have the IT director. The IT director would not only manage the IT managers and staff, but also be an escalation point when needed. The IT director would need to be technical, so they would need to bring in consultants if IT staff don't have specific skills needed. The IT director would manage consultants, training for IT staff, budgets, and projects along with project managers. The director wouldn't often get involved in actual IT work, but would need to understand what's happening with the staff and materials the company uses. The director may manage contracts with vendors for cloud services, hardware, and software. Above the director in a large organization would be the chief technology officer and/or chief information officer. The CTO is usually involved with operations, which is what help desk is typically a part of. But the CIO is usually in charge of development, programming, and security. However, that doesn't mean all organizations will have the same delineation for each officer or managerial staff. The CTO and CIO are usually not very technical and have likely been brought in from other departments or companies. They are many times on track to become the CEO or president of the company at some point in the future. The chief executives need to be more business and public relations savvy than technical, especially in a publicly traded company. Any wind of negativity about being hacked or having to shut down operations due to ransomware could be devastating for the stock of the company. They see things at a much higher level, which is why technical issues usually stop at the director level. Think about the place where you work or have worked in the past. Was your hierarchy similar to the help desk? Think of ways you can use your professionalism and knowledge to move up the ladder in your first help desk position.